What up, guys? You already know what today is. It's Thursday. Can't wait to open up these bad boys. Guess what they are. Guess what kind of, might even say it in the video description, but can't wait. I'm very excited about this type of boot. Here we go. Hey, what's up, guys? The sun is bright. I'm over here in Austin, Texas. I'm here at our local shoe repair store in Cedar Park. This is north of Austin. And this guy just gave us a demonstration on how to clean boots, and also a secret of his of using alcohol to be able to make them shine. And on our Thursday captain, he gives us a idea of what it would cost around to fix something like that on a Thursday boot, like a sole repair and all that good stuff. And he explains a little bit further detail, and he's been doing this for a real long time. And at the end of the video, I do have a card of his information, his business card. If you'd like to contact him and give him a call, if you have any questions at all, he'd be free to answer them. And he's been really helpful here at the local shoe repair here in Austin. Thank you, guys.
It has a welt,
Okay.
a leather welt, which is stitched to the boot itself. And then this boot has a midsole, and then it has a full sole, a leather block. That's the piece between the midsole and your heel cap. This heel cap in particular has a built-in heel plate, but it can be replaced. And then you can also replace the heel plates, and there is a separate charge for an extra heel plate. But if you were to replace these soles and heels here at this shop, you'd be looking at $89.95 plus tax, and then the heel plate would be $450 a pair.
Cool.
But they're very repairable.
Awesome.
It's something that I always look at, because a lot of shoes nowadays being made, they're being outsourced to different places. They're being outsourced to China, to India, and they're coming in really nice leather, but the bottoms are all man-made, and they can't be repaired because everything's glued in.
Yeah.
These are actually stitched.
Awesome.
Get a container with water. You want to get the saddle soap and the brush to apply the saddle soap. So you soak the brush with water, and then you want to shake off the excess water. And you want to get your soap, make some suds, and then apply it to your boot. Just all through the boot, okay?
Okay.
Let the boot set for 5 minutes. Okay? Brush them and then let them dry for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, once they're dry, then you brush them again.
Okay.
You brush them again. And then you buff them.
Okay.
All right? Now, if you want to add extra shine to it, that's where the neutral comes in. Okay, so what you want to do, you can use any clean cotton cloth to apply the wax with.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is just get you plenty of wax, put it onto the boot. Okay.
Okay.
And you can do both boots. Just apply the wax to the boots, let them set for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Now what I do, last step before I brush them the last time, is I use a 50% rubbing alcohol. I buy it at HEB.
Okay.
After you've applied the shine, let them set for 5 minutes. Before you brush it the last time, all you do is just barely touch it.
Okay.
Barely touch it.
Okay.
Okay? And then you just apply this to one boot at a time.
Okay.
Okay? That's your alcohol. Okay? What it's going to do, it's going to cloud up the boot. You're going to think you've ruined your boots. Then you come back and you brush your boot again.
Okay.
Okay? And when you brush your boot, let me get a clean shoe. You don't want to dig into it. You just kind of want to
Light. Okay.
topically clean it, okay?
Okay.
And once you've done that, then you get your buffing cloth again
Okay.
and you go
Then
over
you
the
buff it
boot.
again.
The more you buff it, the shinier it gets. Now that, like I said, that type of boot you have, it'll get nice and clean. It'll get a shine like the ones he had on, but you're not going to get a brilliant
Okay.
shine on them.
Yeah, I'm not really looking for
But a
super-
boot like something like these, you might get a better shine on them.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can do it the exact same application,
So for boots like those, I'll do the same process.
exact process.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I want to thank you for
Yeah,
like
no
your
problem,
time and
no problem.
teaching me.
No problem. And again, you can have one of my cards.
Okay.
If you try it, a lot of guys will come back and they'll say, "Man, I don't know what I did wrong, but this is my phone number.
Okay.
Call me if I have time. I can actually go step by step with you. Again,
Yes,
if
sir.
you may have missed one of the steps,
Yeah.
but that is the process."
Okay guys, I just wanted to talk about the difference between the Captain and the President boot. So this is the President, and the Captains are just the same. They run the same like shine and same material. These Arizonas are actually pretty cool. I like them. But they do run a little bit smaller than normal, and they're actually like a little bit wider. I have a wider toe right here, and you can see like it kind of pushes out a little bit. I probably need a size wide, but it's stretched out so much I'm good. But about sizing on the Arizona Sweet Teas is that these are size 10, these are size 10 and a half. And look at just the difference. There's not much at all. These are actually smaller, so you'd probably want to upsize on your game if you're ordering those, and just keep returning, get the right pair. But I'm gonna get a size bigger. I'm actually gonna go 11s with these guys, and I'm usually a size 10 and a half. 11 should work. But here are the Arizona Thursday boots, the Captain. They're super rad.